Here's a short 50-word intro for your top 3 motorhomes video. Get ready for the ultimate motorhome showdown. Today, we're counting down the top 3 motorhomes that redefine travel, comfort, and adventure. From futuristic design to luxury. Living on wheels, these motorhomes will blow your mind and inspire your next journey. Stay tuned for number 1. It's unbelievable. Do you want me to also expand each of the top 3 motorhomes into separate detailed segments like I did before? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the Cadillac Motorhome, a true symbol of luxury on wheels. Cadillac is known for elegance, comfort, and cutting-edge design, and when this is combined with a motorhome concept, the result is simply breathtaking. Imagine premium leather interiors, advanced tech, spacious living areas, and a smooth Cadillac ride wherever you go. This motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about traveling in first-class style. From its bold exterior presence to its fully equipped interior, the Cadillac Motorhome is built for those who want adventure without compromising luxury and prestige. The channel. Today, we are exploring something truly extraordinary, the BMW Motorhome, a vision of performance, innovation, and luxury combined into a rolling masterpiece. When most people think of BMW, they imagine sleek sedans, powerful sports cars, or high-end SUVs, but when the same engineering precision is applied to a motorhome, the result is stunning. The BMW Motorhome concept brings together modern design, premium comfort, and advanced technology in a way only BMW can deliver. On the outside, it carries the signature sporty elegance, a bold front grille, aerodynamic lines, and futuristic LED lighting that make it stand out wherever it goes. It's not just a vehicle, it's a statement of class and style. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The interior feels like stepping into a modern BMW flagship sedan, but expanded into a living space. Expect premium leather seating that transforms into beds, a fully equipped kitchenette with smart appliances, and a lounge area that doubles as a workspace. Every detail is designed with comfort and functionality in mind, from ambient lighting to cutting-edge infotainment systems. Large panoramic windows flood the cabin with natural light and connect you with the outdoors, making road trips an unforgettable experience. But what sets the BMW Motorhome apart is the technology under the hood. With hybrid or even fully electric power options, it promises eco-friendly performance without losing that signature BMW driving feel. Intelligent driving aids, autonomous features, and advanced connectivity make long journeys effortless and enjoyable. This is not just a motorhome. It's the future of travel, blending freedom with the luxury of a 5-star hotel. For those who demand more than just a journey, the BMW Motorhome delivers adventure in ultimate style. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a closer look at the Kia Motorhome, a fresh take on modern travel that blends practicality, comfort, and futuristic design. Kia has built a reputation for creating stylish, reliable, and affordable vehicles, and when that DNA is applied to a motorhome concept, the result is truly impressive. From the outside, the Kia Motorhome carries bold, sleek lines, a distinctive front grille, and a modern aerodynamic shape that makes it stand out on highways and campgrounds alike. It looks futuristic, yet approachable, giving travelers the perfect Balance between style and function. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the sense of space and comfort. Kia has designed the interior with clever modular solutions that maximize every inch. Expect foldable seating that transforms into a comfortable bed, a compact but efficient kitchenette for on-the-road cooking, and smart storage compartments that keep everything organized. Large panoramic windows give you a bright and open feel, while modern materials and ambient lighting create a cozy, home-like atmosphere. It's the kind of space that makes you want to hit the road and never look back. What makes the Kia Motorhome even more exciting is its technology. Equipped with advanced infotainment, smart connectivity, and eco-friendly powertrains, this motorhome is ready for the future of travel. Options for hybrid or electric drivetrains make long journeys efficient and sustainable, while driver assist features and smooth handling take the stress out of road trips. Whether you're planning a family vacation, a weekend getaway, or a long adventure across the country, the Kia Motorhome is designed to deliver freedom and comfort without the high costs of traditional RVs. It's modern, practical, and built for travelers who want more from their journey.